That's the saying, vax and wax. So excited, and I was going to get ready and look presentable for this video, but my package is delivered early and my computer is here. So I look like this, but let's go get my computer. It's here, it's here. I'm so excited. It is here. Okay, so I just got a new desk and a new desk chair in preparation of my new computer. I had this one from Amazon that I really love, but it's just not adjustable and it's a little too short for this desk. So I got this new chair off of Wayfair, and to be honest, it's not as comfortable as this one, but it does have wheels and I can adjust it to make it higher. I will put a picture up of my old desk setup. I have been making purchases just in preparation for my new computer. So I got this like pink marble tray. I've had this, but I got this to match it, and then I got some plants with the pink plant potter. So I'm really excited, and we are going to set it up now. And by we, I mean Ed D is gonna set it up now. So if you watch my vlogs, you know I am very codependent on my boyfriend Eddie. He essentially does everything for me, but since this is my first ever iMac and I've been watching so many unboxing videos, I wanted to unbox it myself. I'm not gonna set it up myself because again, he's gonna do that. But I wanted to unbox it myself. It's like bigger than I expected, and it's even bigger in person. Okay, let's take this out of the box. It's much bigger than I expected. I've never had an iMac, so I am just like screaming on the inside. I'm like, this is so cool. I have seen everybody pull this little tab, and so I'm like scared to do it because, as Eddie said, I just have one shot to get it right. No. Did we? Wait, I think we did. Hold on, wait.
We may have done this upside down.
Okay, flip it. Like hold it.
I just want to check, make sure.
No, I think we did. I've watched 100 people do this, and
Yeah,
of course we got it wrong.
This is the back.
This is the heavy bit. Well, that's where the pull tab was. Gentle. Okay. Honestly, I want to scream right now. I'm so excited. For all the extras, I am so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I have never had an iMac before, so again, this may seem like nothing, but I am just so excited. Honestly, I didn't, a lot of people are like, I wish that it wasn't red, but seeing it in person, I kind of love the red.
It's like a heart red, like a love red.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Like a YSL lipstick red.
You know, red is my signature color. I took a shower, I got ready, we are vaxxed, we are waxed, we are here. That's the saying, vax and wax. Okay, so while I was in the shower, Eddie was setting up my computer. I am so excited. It is just everything I could ask for, but I wanted to peel off the hello sign together. It is the last thing we're gonna do, so let's do that. This is my moment.
Oh, the power button.
Okay,
Right.
this is my moment. Feel like Elle Woods and Legally Blonde when she was getting her life together and got that orange MacBook. That's what it makes me think of. Not a tech review, but just to give you guys an insight into which iMac I got. So out of the 3 iMacs that they offered, I got the most expensive one, which is the 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 512 gigabyte storage. It's like reciting the alphabet to me. It really doesn't mean anything. And then as far as upgrades go, I did upgrade it to the 16 gigabyte of memory, which is an additional $200. I also upgraded to the 1 terabyte of storage, which was an additional $200. I kept the Magic Mouse, although I will say I do enjoy the mouse, but I am kind of missing the trackpad. So the trackpad was an additional $50. If you wanted to get both, it would have been an additional $130, but I might try the trackpad. I did not install any of the pre-installed things because I already have Final Cut Pro, and that's that. So the base model is, the upgrades is about $2,099. I also got Apple Care, so yeah. I have played around with it and I pretty much used it all afternoon, and I'm so in love with it. It honestly moves so quickly, and again, I've never had an iMac, so just being able to shop on a big screen, just look at my website on a big screen, just being able to do everything on a big screen just is so exciting to me. You can see here, I'm running Lightroom. It honestly runs so quickly. My MacBook Pro, when I would edit photos, it just kept like freezing on me. I kept having to like shut it down. Plus to have the big screen and to edit photos is so nice. I also have my YouTube channel, so I edit videos as well, and just everything runs super quickly, and I couldn't love it more. I also just love the Touch ID feature. The one thing I hate about setting up a new computer is just all of the passwords, and really I only use like 2 or 3 passwords, and yet whenever I'm asked to put in my password, I have like a mini panic attack, and I'm like, I don't know what the password is. So it's really nice to be able to set up something one and done, and then for the rest of the time be able to use the touchpad. I have seen a ton of reviews on them, and I was kind of nervous because I think a lot of people associate the colored Mac products with being like the cheaper version, because the phone at one point was the cheaper version. I really don't view this as the cheaper version. I mean, she's $2,000. She is pricey. It's definitely an investment, and it's definitely something that I am very excited about. I am just so proud to have been able to purchase this for myself. It's like, it's really just a pinch me moment. So with that being said, I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing video and seeing my brand new M1 pink iMac. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.